Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki again. I'm here with episode 27 of my 1500 airliner reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Sky500 Jetstar Airways Airbus A330-200. This was a 2012 limited release. It is still readily available on eBay, which is where I got it. And this one comes in the 2000s colors with registration VH-EBK. The engines has two CF6-80E 1A4s, and that's pretty much the basics of that one. There's the box right there. A nice window box like Sky500 always does, probably to save money so they don't have to pay people to take photographs. Cheap asses. And there you go. Don't forget, it's recyclable. Like I'm really gonna throw away the boxes. Has anybody ever wondered about that? Like when you buy a plane on eBay and somebody says no box, it's like, well, what the hell did you do with the box? It's like people in their Legos, they throw away the Lego box. It's like, don't do that. But enough about that. There's the plane. Hopefully it'll come out right on here. I mean, I've got the light on, but that glare can be a killer sometimes. But there's there it is. Nice marking there on the roof, or on the top of the fuselage. Plastic landing gears, but no big deal. Great detail to that wing. I'll get a better look at it later on when I go over there. There's that. There's the engine. Yeah, I'd get lower with the camera, but I really don't want to put it on the table because I don't want you to see the dead roaches over here on the table. So I kind of try to keep them out by not putting the camera that low. I'm kidding. But there's the Australian flag and the registration. Pretty nice. My first Jetstar model. So this is, I'm still looking at it like I've never seen it before, so there's a few pauses, that's probably why. Despite all the silver on here, they actually made the tip, the tail cone there, they gave it a little bit of a different colored, I guess, silver or aluminum. Clear up here. Get a little bit of a close up. See the sparkles on the wings and the paint there. There's that red light in the middle that the pilot keeps forgetting to turn off, by the way. Jetstar.com, and pull back a little here, and we'll flip this thing over. Get a better view of what's there. I think it says something like Qantas Group, I think. I can't tell from the camera here. Of course, it has the Jetstar logo on the bottom, which I think is pretty cool. I've got a few planes that print their or paint their logo on the bottom. It's pretty neat. Again, we do have there we go. They have plastic stabilizers. The tail is also plastic. See if we can there's the landing gear doors. Yeah, like I said, if I turn off the light you won't be able to see it at all, so that's why I've got the light on. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's got a Qantas group airline. That's what it has right there. Got printing on the doors, the landing gear doors too. It's pretty cool. But that does it for this review of the Sky500 Jetstar Airways A330-200. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the section below. And that should do it for this review. Alright, till the next time. Later.